Hello, beautiful people. You are warmly welcome back to another informative video. So today I want to demonstrate the ways or one of the ways that you can grow your hair faster, healthier, and longer. And what we are going to be doing today is hair oiling. We are going to oil our hair, and I'm going to be showing you one of the methods that I've used so far, or that I normally use in this video. There are so many ways, but we are going to just deal with one today. I have the link of this oil below this video. Guys, when you start oiling your hair, you are going to love this, especially if you have a thicker and you have a dry hair. This is one of the ways to take care of your hair in the nicest and the healthier way. You are welcome back from that short commercial break. As you all can see on your screen, my hair is so dry because I have been using styling gel to hold my hair for some days now. My hair looks very dry, so what I want to do here is to oil my hair and to revive my hair, to rejuvenate my hair. And I'm doing this naturally because in my previous video I have done a demonstration on how you can infuse your oils, and that oil, how many ways you can use that oil. In fact, I will be uploading videos on how to use your infused oil, because this is going to help you, encourage you, and motivate you to infuse this herbs into your hair growth routine. So the first thing that I'm doing here is to put some water, and I'm using my spray bottle because I want to be able to control the amount of water that I will be using in this in preparing my hair. I don't want my hair to be very wet, but I also need the hydration from the water, and then the oil is going to seal in and it's going to set in properly if the water takes the first preparation, or the water or the hydration takes place in this process or in this routine. So that's all that I'm doing. And after I spray my water on my hair, I'm going to detangle my hair. You can see the video is very self-explanatory. I'm going to make sure that I detangle my hair properly before I start the oiling. Guys, this is one of the healthiest way, especially if you have frizzy hair, dry scalp. This is one of the ways that you can actually change that and revive your hair, restore your hair, and give that moisture and that hydration that your hair needs. Our hair is just like a seed. You need to water it, you need to prune it, you need to add the fertilizers which we are getting from the herbs. So now is the time for me to add the oil to the hair. So I am starting from my scalp to the tip of my hair. So you will see that I will be applying it on the tip as well, because that is the most important part of this routine, because my hair was so dry. And when you don't take care of the root as well, you will see that if for those who have dry scalp, you need to take care of the root as well. Massage the oil into the scalp properly, because when you do that, there's going to be a heat application whenever you are massaging your scalp, and that heat application is going to create an evaporation. It's going to create the follicles, your pores, to be open. And when the pores are open, that is when the follicles are going to receive the nutrient, the vitamins, the minerals. And now there's also going to be a blood flow, a proper circulation of your blood flow in the scalp. So massaging is one of the tips here, is one of the things that you need to pay attention to. You can see that I'm trying to do that, because when you do not massage the oil into the scalp, when you do not when there is no heat, that is why many people heat the oil first. But that we're going to talk later. That is another method we're going to talk later, because I will be using a steamer today, so I don't actually need to heat up my oil. That is why I said that there are so many ways that you can do your oiling. You can also watch my and try my method as well to see if there's going to be any change or any result for you. But I can promise that this will definitely give you a result. So as I was saying, the massaging your scalp and then making sure that the oil comes from the root to the tip of your hair is also very important, especially for those that are struggling with the frizzy ends, the brittle ends, the dry ends. Use this method to revive your hair. So all that you need to do, all the most important tips is what I have just said. So we are just going to repeat this until all the hair until I finish my whole head. So yes, that's it. I don't want to bore you with this with this direction. You just try it at home and you will see the result yourself. So do not go away, guys. I have more tips to give you later in the video. Why? Because I will show you the 2 ways you can use the steamer or your plastic to steam up this hair to get that juice out of your hair at the end of your routine. So do not go away and just watch to the end of this video and get all the information that you need. If you have watched me up to this place, I would like you to support this channel by liking this video. Give this video a thumbs up and support us with all the love, just as we also have the love making all this video for you. We want you to understand that you can grow your hair naturally. It is possible. That is why when I started this journey right from the beginning, I have started documenting my hair routines and my hair products, my hair, the ways, the product that I use, everything. And you can see it yourself that my hair is growing every time that I am showing myself on the screen. So guys, this is one of the ways you can use these infusion or infusing your herbs to grow your hair. So guys, we are done twisting our hair. You can see that I am still massaging my scalp. This massage is one of the important thing in this video. Please take that into consideration. And you can use your shower cap. What I'm just demonstrating, you can use your shower cap, but today I am not going to be using the shower cap. I'm going to be using my steamer. Don't be like, oh, I don't have the steamer so I cannot do this. No, you can just use your shower cap, or you can just use any plastic to keep that heat coming, because that is what the steamer is going to be doing for us in this video. The steamer is going to apply the heat to our scalp and to our hair and the product that we have in the hair. So now after 30 minutes, you can do this 30 minutes on an hour if you have the time. I had a time that day, so I took it up to an hour, and now this is how my hair is looking from the beginning of this video to now. Have you seen the difference? I have not used any product. This is just the oil and a spray water. This is it. You can see the result yourself. I don't need to come and give you something that I do not have. This is what I have. This is what I can give. So you can see the result yourself. this is it. Yes, if you are looking for the natural way, this is the way. I'm going to leave the link of this oil below this video or in the card. You can just click on that and watch how you can prepare your own oil and use it at home. Okay, you can do this. You can do this. You can grow your hair. Stop using all the chemicals that they are promising our fix, quick fix, result and all that. No, there is no way for them anymore. We are here to grow our hair naturally. So guys, now is the time for me to wash my hair, and because of the length of the video, I have decided not to make these videos long. So I am going to be doing a new video. So I would like you to subscribe if you have not yet subscribed, and if you have done subscribing, please remember to put your notification bell on so that whenever I upload the new videos now and in the future, you can get hold on that. I am going to be using another herbal shampoo bar. Okay, we are going to be making that shampoo bar right here on this platform, and we are going to do the demonstration of that shampoo bar. So do not go away. Make sure that your notification is on so that when I upload that video, you can watch and you can get a benefit and you can make it yourself because it is coming with a recipe. I love you guys all, and I will see you in my next video. Shalom, peace, bye bye.